How do you know if you're buckled in correctly? Just click, tug, and snug. First, listen for a click. Tug on the seatbelt and snug it across your hips. Click, tug, snug. Watch what happens to a test dummy protected by a lap shoulder belt in a 30-mile-per-hour crash at CAPE, Emmy's premier crash testing facility. The seat belt kept the driver in his seat. The unbelted dummy struck the windshield with significant force. The evidence is clear. A driver or passenger could sustain serious injuries or worse in a similar crash if they are not wearing their seatbelt. We encourage you to develop a habit that could save your life. Always click, tug, and snug every time you get behind the wheel.